Today we're going to be making some gourmet pizza. For toppings, just look in your fridge or pantry and find whatever you can. Today we're going to be using some mushrooms, bell peppers, eggplant, and salami. If you don't have pizza sauce, you can use pasta sauce instead, but pizza sauce would be preferable. Before you do anything with the dough or the toppings, you gotta preheat your oven to about 450 on bake or convection bake if you have it. Pizza dough. Easiest thing you can do is get it from a pizza restaurant because it's really hard to make, or you can look for some frozen dough at your grocery store. This is my sister Carisha, and she's gonna teach us how to roll out the dough.
So, first thing you wanna do is get your dough and smack it. And this you do because you want to get the air bubbles out so that you don't have holes when you're stretching it. So now we add our flour, and we usually put our flour on the counter because the dough would be sticky. So, and now just put your dough in it and maybe flip it and put your dough in it again. Okay. Why is yours so small?
I don't know.
The reason we don't roll it out with a rolling pin is because then it gets all the air bubbles out and then our crust doesn't rise in the oven, and we want it to rise so it's a nice fluffy pizza. Now we pick up our pizza and we just let gravity do the work. Just let it go, stretch. And we keep grabbing as you go in a circle quickly because you don't want it to rip. When you get a hole, just like close it back up nice and thick because you don't want the hole to come back. There we have our first thing. Put it on your pan, just like that. And oh, nice, throw it up too. It's ready to go. Whoa! So now we're gonna put some pizza sauce on our pizza.
Now you gotta add your cheese.
It didn't even hit your pizza.
Time for toppings.
Look a little professional you cook. Okay, so I'm vegetarian, so I don't put meat on my pizza. So I'm gonna put grilled vegetables. I have this antipasto eggplant.
Some big mushroom.
Red peppers add some color.
Okay, put your pizza in at 450 for 10 to 15 minutes, or until your crust looks light golden brown. Oh, this looks good.
Okay, so now we're gonna taste it. Oh yeah, yours is
Ooh, hot. Better than Chicago pizza. Hey guys, comment down below what you want us to teach you next, and like and subscribe to never miss a meal.